This is a room in the hotel we are sleeping at Aipe. We just found out that there's a camera installed in every room. These were the 4 we removed from other rooms. Look at them.
Now, some of these hotels that we lodge and most of these Airbnb apartments always install a hidden camera right inside their room. Okay? And based on the location they install these hidden cameras, with your bare eyes, you can never detect this camera. Okay? Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you guys how you can use your phone without installing a third-party app to detect any hidden camera in any room. Once you lodge in any hotel or Airbnb apartments and you suspect that there might be camera right inside the room, or you just want to check if there's hidden camera installed in that room, in this video I'm going to share with you how you can use your smartphone to check if there's a hidden camera installed in that particular hotel room or Airbnb room or any particular place where you find yourself and you want to check if there's a hidden camera. Now, the very first thing you need to do whenever you want to check if there's a hidden camera inside any room where you are is to close all the curtains, okay, and off the room light. It's always best for you to do this in the night. In the afternoon or in the morning time, your camera might not be able to detect it. The room has to be dark. So you have to close all the curtains and off the room light for you to apply what I'm about to show you in your phone. So once you off your room light, okay, and close all the curtains, once you have that room very dark, this is what you have to do in your phone. Now come over to your phone. I'm using a Samsung S24 Ultra. This will also work in lower Samsung and this might also work in iPhone. Now come over to your home screen and tap and hold long press on your home screen. And over here on the down corner of your screen, you will see widgets. Okay, tap on widgets and scroll up. What we're looking for is magnifier. All right, now this is magnifier. Tap magnifier and click on magnifier. Add to home screen. Automatically, magnifier is now on your home screen. You can shift it down here. Okay. Now, this magnifier is what you're going to use to detect if there's any hidden camera in that room. Click on the magnifier. Once you click on the magnifier, you guys can see that the magnifier has brought out a camera, which the color of the camera has changed. Now, if you click on filter on the down right corner here, it's going to pop up a screen. On this screen, these are different colors, okay? But I always like using this second to the last one. This second to the last one. Now over here, you can increase the contrast, okay? Downside, and over here you can reduce the brightness, okay? And if you go back a little bit here, you can do the zooming. Okay, you can zoom before you go to filter. Let's click on filter and go to this second to the last one. This is what I always use, red on black. Okay, this is black on red, but I use red on black. You guys can see it here. So I'm going to use this my S21 Ultra that I'm using to record this video to show you guys how to go about it. You have to use this particular section, red on black, to be going around the room. Okay, you just going around the walls, the AC section, anywhere you think you might see a hidden camera. Let me show you how it works and how you can know that you've seen a hidden camera. I'm going to use this Samsung camera as an example. Now, if you watch this phone is on tripod, okay? And if you go in the front, you will see that this phone is set on video. Okay, it's not recording, but it's on video. Okay, let me click record. It's now recording. Okay, now Let's go over and go to magnifier. Click on magnifier. Let me zoom back a little bit. Okay, you can see the phone is still recording. Now, let's go to filter. Okay, I'll put it in the second to the last one. All right, so you can reduce the color from here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to off the lights. Okay, now let me off the lights. You guys can see that the phone is seeing a red light which is coming from the camera. Now if I on this light again, you can see the phone. You might not be able to see the red light very well. So it's better you off the light whenever you're in a room that you're suspecting that there's camera. Once you off the light, you can see it's showing you a red light coming from the camera. But if I stop recording, I've stopped recording and go back, this phone is no longer on camera. If you come to the camera and off the light, you will not be able to see it anymore. You can see the light is not active anymore because it's no longer on video mode. It's no longer recording. You can see it. You can see it's no longer giving you that red light because the camera is not really active. But once the camera is active, it will be giving you constant red light. Now you guys can see how you can use your smartphone to detect any hidden camera in a hotel or Airbnb or any particular apartment where you are and you think there's a hidden camera right inside there. So if this video was helpful, make sure you like and make sure follow for more tips like this.